guys, we're finally here to LAX. We're gonna board the flight soon. Back there. I'm eating a sandwich right now. It's Pret. I haven't had Pret in so long. Actually, I had it not too long ago, but it's pretty rare to see Pret. But it's like so hard to eat right now because I feel like I'm just so anxious and nervous that I cannot eat anymore. Hello guys! I am finally in Zurich and I just checked into my hotel, so let's do a little room tour. This is the Kameha Grand Zurich Hotel. We have the bathroom. It is so pretty with a little chandelier at the top, and then a bathtub down here, and then a full-length mirror, and then here at the bathroom. And then this is a mirror as well. Going over here, it has the shower. Down like that. And I love the sink, it's so pretty. Isn't that pretty? Very nice. Then this is the safe. Isn't it kind of cute? It's like a little mini fridge, and then a safe, and some condiments, some tea that you can make. Ooh, pretty. Okay. And then I have the double twin bed. Actually, no, this is a king bed. Perfect. So I have a king bed, and then the curtains. It's kind of gloomy and humid outside, but yeah, super cute. I got the ham mushroom pizza with Sauvignon Hello guys. Hello. Oh my god, I swear, I'm so tired. I'm like, okay, this is such an ugly angle of me. Maybe I should just sit up. How do I, there, oh, actually, zoom out. Hi guys, I am so exhausted. I'm so glad I'm finally back at home, but before I was out and about, like doing all my errands, my SIM card, my train tickets, what else? Currency exchange, everything. So I didn't really film anything upon my arrival to Zurich. Yeah, I'm just in my hotel room. I had Italian food for dinner. I had a glass of Sauvignon Blanc, and now I'm like ready to hit the freaking bed because I'm so exhausted. And like I didn't really even sleep at all on the airplane. Yeah, I'm gonna wash my face and then call it a night. Tomorrow we're gonna go into the city center and hopefully capture some good content for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned. Hi guys, good morning. Right now is 3:48 a.m. in Zurich. I went to bed at like 10 p.m. last night, and I don't know, I think I woke up at like 2 and I just cannot fall back asleep. So I think I'm gonna wake up and journal a little bit. But yeah, the first day has been really great. I just did a lot of housekeeping stuff, like getting a SIM card, getting my rail pass. What else did I do? Currency exchange. And yeah, it's been really good so far, and I've been loving this hotel. It is so cute. This is the Kameha Grand Zurich. And then take a look at the bathroom. Isn't that beautiful with that chandelier and the double sink and tub? And I love this open concept. It's just so cute that you can open it. It's really modern. contemporary style. I'm still in my PJs. I am thinking of going down to the gym and like do some strength training. And since for the run, I think I'm gonna wake up around 4 a.m. anyways, so it's perfect that I have jet lag. But yeah, I'm thinking of going to the city center today. So yeah. Yay! We're gonna go hit the gym right now. It is 4 a.m. in the morning. I totally have jet lag. But yeah, let's get our day started, baby. Literally nobody's here. And this is the gym at the hotel. There's a few ellipticals, treadmill, bicycles, and yeah, not bad, not bad, not bad. Good enough. All right, I am back from my gym sesh and I just showered. This will be my fit. It is like a black dress. And I just washed my clothes here and here. Sorry, maybe TMI. But I just didn't want to pay for dry cleaning, so I'm just gonna wash it myself. When I used to live here, I remember the washing machine was like $3 per wash. So I always just hand washed everything. So yeah, let's get ready together. Today is day 2. We're gonna head over to take the tram to go into Zurich. So let's go. This is the city center. Kind of just roaming around. I had no plans, just
Not short term, but the longer term activity. As a very strategy, we have this is what I remember making after at the past, which I decided.
It's so chaotic here, but at the same time it's so peaceful. So pretty. The river. I'm just having lunch. And then I have this peach tea, chicken salad, and I got this onigiri. It's only day 2 and I had to get Asian food. I just opened this onigiri and tell me why there are carrots in the rice. That is so funny. What? Okay, so today's dinner time and I ordered like a sausage. Honestly, I'm not sure what it is. I don't really know what I ordered, but I saw a lot of people lining up for it, so we're gonna try it. And I got some iced tea. I think it's like lemon tea. And then they give you a bread. Oh, fuck. Wait, this is really, really good. I like it.
Why don't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me.
Oh my god, you guys. I'm so tired right now. It is 11:36 p.m. and today's Wednesday, September 4th. I leave for Interlaken tomorrow. I think I'm just feeling super nervous and I don't know why, but I feel kind of cold. So hopefully I'm not sick. So I think my dad packed me an emergency and I'm going to take one right now. And I just showered. Initially, like I was actually gonna sleep without showering because I showered like in the afternoon. And I thought, oh, maybe like it's okay. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of emergency right now. But today was a really good day. I know the lighting's kind of weird right now. Let me turn on the lights, hold on. Hopefully the lighting is a little bit better. I just turned on like all the lights and I have my emergency. Where's the cap? I'm not going crazy, but today was day 2 and it was really productive. I walked around the Zurich Center and yeah, like it was more like a shopping district, I would say. Like I didn't find it that interesting. I just really liked going by the river area and like seeing the swans, listening to the live music at night, and yeah, the sunset was really pretty too. The sunrise and sunsets here are so pretty. I'm gonna drink some right now. Yeah, I'm like not liking this lighting and the light does not move, so I cannot flash it towards me. I have to like bend down to look at you guys. But yeah, I love this DJI tracking mode. It's so cool. But yeah, just wanted to update you guys and come on here. Hopefully, finger crossed, I am not sick. Oh, I also went to the On Labs today and I got my race shirt and what else did I get? I got white socks. I'll show you later on. So yeah, that was really fun. I really liked On. The store is really pretty. Yeah, I'm feeling so tired, you guys. I feel like I barely slept the last few days and I definitely need to eat more. It's like I feel like I'm not eating enough, but yeah. Hey, maybe I'll like journal a little bit and then go to bed. So, all right, bye.